Welcome to Johnny's Lockdown. Do you call it in? Imagine this. You've been out for a nice leisurely stroll in the woods, and then you come across this. A dead body. What do? Do you call it in? Of course! It's the right thing to do, isn't it? Or is it? You see, if you do call it in, you're immediately the first suspect in the case. Yeah, sure, you'll probably be ruled out. But even if you are ruled out, you'll be asked to testify in a court of law. In a murder investigation, that could take months, years even. All you wanted to do was go out for a nice leisurely stroll in the woods. You didn't want this. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm on private land right now. So if the police start asking me questions, which they obviously will, they'll ask me, why were you on private land? And I can't just turn around and go, oh, I don't know. Because then I'd be lying in a murder investigation. And if I get caught lying in a murder investigation, the police are going to start thinking, well, what else has he been lying about? Before you know it, you're a convicted murderer. But what about the other option? Do you not call it in? Why would you not call it in? Because if you don't call it in, you're in an even worse position than you were before. Because if you were found out to be the first person to see this dead body, and you didn't call it in, the police are going to ask, well, why didn't you call it in? And you can't just say, well, I didn't want to be considered a suspect in the case. Because that's the exact sort of thing a murderer would say. And before you know it, you're a convicted murderer. So if you can't call it in, and you can't not call it in, what can you do? It's simple. You kill yourself.